What are some examples of problem-solving skills? Have you ever faced a challenge and wondered how to tackle it? Today, we will talk about problem-solving skills and how they can help you in your first job and career exploration. Problem-solving skills are essential abilities that help you identify challenges, think through options, and find effective solutions. For teenagers, developing these skills is important for both school and future jobs. Let's start with identifying the problem. This means recognizing what the actual issue is before trying to fix it. For example, if you are struggling with homework, the problem might be not understanding the instructions rather than just feeling lazy. Once you know the problem, you can analyze it. Think about why it happened and what factors are involved. This helps you understand the situation better and avoid making the same mistakes in the future. Next, let's talk about brainstorming solutions. This is where you come up with many possible ways to solve the problem, including creative or unusual ideas. Don't judge ideas at this stage, just list as many as you can. For instance, if two friends are arguing over a game, possible solutions could be taking turns, playing a different game, or setting a timer for each player. After brainstorming, you need to evaluate your options. Look at the pros and cons of each solution. Which one is easiest, fastest, or most fair? This helps you pick the best option. Once you have chosen a solution, it's time to make a decision. Commit to a plan and be ready to follow through. Now let's implement the solution. Put your chosen solution into action. For example, if you decide to study in shorter sessions with breaks, start doing that right away. After trying your solution, review the outcome. Check if it worked. If not, you may need to try a different approach or adjust your plan. Other important problem-solving skills include critical thinking, creativity, flexibility, time management, and collaboration. Critical thinking involves carefully considering information and questioning assumptions instead of accepting things at face value. Creativity is about thinking of new or different ways to solve a problem. Flexibility means being willing to change your plan if something isn't working. Time management is about prioritizing tasks to solve problems efficiently, like deciding which homework to do first when you have limited time. Collaboration is working with others to share ideas and find solutions together. Practical examples for teens include figuring out how to fix a tech issue, like reconnecting to Wi-Fi without help. You might also manage a budget for buying lunch or planning a week's meals. Handling conflicts with siblings or friends by brainstorming fair compromises is another great way to practice these skills. Organizing a busy schedule to balance school, activities, and social time is also a perfect opportunity to use problem-solving skills. By practicing these skills in everyday situations, you build confidence and prepare for challenges in school, work, and life. Asking open-ended questions like, "What can I do next?" or "How else could I solve this?" encourages independent thinking and growth. Remember, making mistakes is part of learning to solve problems better over time.